Oh, you're doing all that?
I'm gonna do it all.
Okay, hold on. Let me get a shot of all this. So, lipsticks in the top drawer, lipsticks and lip glosses in the top drawer. And this is like foundation. I took a lot of it out because I gotta do that makeup today.
Oh.
Powders, bronzers, highlighters, eyeshadows. And more hair.
More hair.
So,
Okay.
yeah, and then overflow there. I think, ladies.
I have my little helpers today. After I like lifted some of
Does it?
Turn.
That's what I need because stuff gets lost up there.
I know.
Yeah,
it'll be super easy to see.
Is all this?
Too.
Okay, yeah. I mean, see how
clear.
far back that goes.
I know, it's really deep. Yeah. So whatever else you don't use very often, you can always put behind there too.
If stuff feels empty, I can just throw it away.
Okay. A lot of it's still pretty. That actually is.
Yeah.
Whatever else we. I don't know what you want to put behind here. If you want to put like miscellaneous stuff back here, that because you have such a deep drawer,
Yeah.
like a deep shelf.
I could even do this overflow.
Yeah, if you want to put, or we can always get another turntable.
Oh, okay.
Like
one more and put it in the
behind,
middle.
Or we can put it down here, just depending on, you know.
Yeah, we could get one more and they can go back.
And it can go back there.
Where do you think all
of these?
my makeup brushes should go?
We'll probably keep them right here. We'll keep them
Yeah, because I like those.
so you can see them easily. And then we'll probably put all your tools like on this shelf.
Okay.
So like all your makeup ones, everything that you use, brushes, should go here. Needs to access to you. So we'll do that next.
Okay, so we'll take all these down and
so we're
then
gonna take them all out.
organize them
We're gonna organize.
in these different containers. I might even need more of those lipstick ones.
Yeah.
I could probably use
Just one
two more. Yeah, one or two more of those. What?
But like stuff like this, to just take it out of the box and like, so that'll free up a ton of space.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
And
you can toss
as
it
long as I see it in this, I just don't touch it.
Right. Yeah, because you're not going to use it if it's in the box.
Right.
So.
I like the idea of red. Yeah, right. So I'm going to give one to my mom. I have like this Bobbi Brown one I love.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a pretty one.
And then this YSL one, like the bright one.
Yeah. See,
that's kind of all I need.
And I don't have dark hair, so like, you know what I mean? Like your complexion
yeah.
and stuff like works better with me.
It's about,
just, like,
it'd be too much.
I can't do it.
It's about finding the right shade. Like you don't want, like this one, this is like an orange red. That'd be way too much for you.
Right.
I used to have to hide this stuff. Yeah, he definitely, oh, this is a pretty nude. Ugh, it's sad when I've like forgotten about my makeup and now I'm like shopping. Good. And then these are all the lip liners. I mean, we could just keep this. I don't know, maybe we can find a way to organize that better.
I'm trying to think of how. I kind of like it that way a little bit better.
Okay, yeah. That does look better than having it free floating.
Just a little bit.
Okay. I can always reorganize all that stuff better.
And see, look at that. We didn't have to buy.
Wow.
We bought one new.
Good.
So we repurposed everything. You can kind of squeeze it out.
So you got drawer dividers.
Okay, so I have these, and that way we can kind of.
Oh yeah, that'd be good.
We'll put this down here because they're not gonna really fit in containers, you know.
You're right.
Or anything like that. They could.
That stuff's
but
okay in a drawer.
This is just. It'll be a lot easier to organize it.
So I have some skincare stuff in there.
Okay.
Like that dermaplane thing.
We'll just take it all out.
Okay.
Yeah, it should. What's nice about these is they expand. So you just.
So is that all you do?
Mm-hmm. As long as it's the right length, which we might need to get a shorter one. I think this is too long. They have these. I'll exchange it. I'll exchange.
So
these.
like 2 of those? Or just one?
They come in a package too.
Oh,
so,
perfect.
So you just put 2 of them in there, and yeah. So we'll just exchange these.
Okay.
Get a different size. We'll do that. All right. I'm gonna run to the Container Store, exchange these, get an extra Lazy Susan product there, and then.
Okay. And this will be
it'll be a little bit closer to done.
Part 1.
Part 1.
Day 1, part 1.
Day 1, part 1.
Got this. That's good. And then the lips.
You decluttered.
I guess I did declutter.
You did.
Yeah.
You
Okay.
decluttered.
My mom's getting a bunch.
You have a whole bag of stuff for your mom.
So, she got me this at the Container Store. A big old Lazy Susan. And I guess these are removable, which I don't really understand the point of that because I don't need to remove them. It also has this removable tray, which I do not understand. Oh, unless you want to do, is it to do that? I don't know. So anyways, I'm going to put foundations. This is going to fit in my foundation drawer, and I'm going to put foundations in there and organize foundations, cream bronzers, cream blushes, and primers. And I might need a second one. She also got this, which I don't know. Maybe I could probably use this for my eyeshadows. So I might try to put this in my eyeshadow drawer because I have a bunch of loose glitters, and this would be good. This would actually be good for the glitters. Just got these off of Amazon. And ended up using the Big Ben for all my eyelashes and nails. Good nail polish. And more false lashes down there.